Hello everyone. We are going to look at the Agentic Healthcare Copilot, which is a smart and FHIR covered generative AI application. It is designed for real-time clinical decision support. Basically, it seamlessly integrates with MailDirects and other FHIR-based EHR systems, leveraging CDS hooks. So we are going to look at the provider-facing application today. So in the MailDirects page, we are able to see the patients here, and then upon clicking one of the patient, will be navigated here, and then we are able to see the CDS hooks integrated, and upon clicking View Insights, will be navigated to our healthcare Copilot, and then upon clicking Connect with FHIR, will be connected to the MailDirects FHIR server, and we are seeing the connection status as well. And then upon clicking Go to Dashboard, we'll be navigated to the doctor's dashboard screen, and this is the dashboard screen. And then we'll be able to view the list of patients upon clicking View Patients, and upon clicking one of these patients, will be navigated to the particular patient's dashboard, where the clinicians can utilize the following features that are in place, and then get the assessments accordingly to take correct appropriate actions for the same. So we are going to look at some of the main key features that we have built. So we will be looking at risk assessment, medication monitoring, readmission risk, and then we have speech to text, and then search, and then chat features in place. So in the risk assessment, it helps in analyzing the patient's data, for example, the demographics, the conditions, and medication details, and then it will help in predicting the risks of cardiac risk, deterioration risk, and then sepsis risk. And it also performs validation on the risk assessment that is done by the AI in the first step, and then upon validation, it will provide recommendations and mitigation plans for the same, and also it provides the clinical insights. So that's about risk assessment. And then moving on to the readmission risk assessment. So this is about the probability of patients getting readmitted again, and how this can be avoided. For the same, we will be providing the risk assessment for the same, and what are the risk factors, the assessment, validation, mitigation plans, what are the things that needs to be monitored to make sure the patient doesn't get admitted again, and then follow-up appointments, and what are the follow-up tests that needs to be conducted, and so on. And then we are seeing the corresponding data that is used to perform this assessment for the same. And then moving on to the medication monitoring, here we are able to see the current medications, and then it provides the medication issues upon analyzing these medications, and then it provides adherence risks, and then it also provides the monitoring plan for the same. So that's how the medication monitoring works. Then moving on to the clinical documentation, this basically helps the clinicians in writing the structured documents and patient notes quickly. For example, they can click on this, and then they can get to generate the quick documentations of each of these features to take the corresponding actions based on the recommendations that was provided by the application. Yeah. So next, moving on to the next feature, that is speech to text. So in the speech to text, the user can record lively, and then upload that, and then get a transcription of the same. And then initially it will provide a raw transcription, and then a formatted transcription can be generated, where it will provide a summary of it, and then action plans and all of that. They can either upload a video or audio. It will generate the transcripts for the same. And then moving on to the AI powered search, here the user, this is for a knowledge base search. Here the user can search for anything, like, for example, if they would like to know about what are the latest clinical guidance for managing diabetes, it will search through online and internet, and like what are the relevant resources that are available. It will go through each of these pages, and then it will provide an AI summary of the same. The user need not search for something like this on the internet, and then look at each of the pages to understand the data what they want to gather quickly. So that's how this helps. And then moving on to the chat. So this chat is a domain specific chat which helps in scheduling meetings, retrieving patient records, and providing quick clinical insights on demand and so on. So this is in progress. So that's all about all the features that are in place. Looking forward to talk more about each of them in deep. Thank you.